Just done an oil filter change on a Ford Transit Mk7, and this particular vehicle is a 2.4 litre one, and it's got a filter type oil filter, not the canister type. So when you come in to change it, make sure the kit should come with a new O-ring, and make sure you do change the O-ring on it, which is just here. Also, to get it off, you'll need a 27mm spanner or a 27mm socket. That's the new one now ready to go. It's got a new seal on it, and it's now got the new filter in, so we need to screw it back in. The oil filter location is just towards the back of the engine, sort of near to where the gearbox is, because this is a rear wheel drive vehicle. Also, so if you're doing an oil change, the sump plug is here, and that takes a 13mm socket to undo it.